to all of you. How are you, students? I hope everything is going great there. Students, please watch our videos daily. Okay? As this is very important for our study. Dear students, today we will discuss about black color. Look at the screen. This is a black cat and it is a animal. This is black bear. It is also a animal. This is black shoe. This is black camera. And this is blackboard. Yes, student, tell me what is this? Yes, this is black sheep. So let's start with me. Now we will learn a rhyme and the title of the rhyme is Baba Black Sheep. Let's start with me. Baba Black Sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. One for the master, one for the dame, one for the little boy who lives down the lane. Baba Black Sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. One for my master, one for the dame, one for the little boy who lives down the lane. Okay, students, that's all for the day. Tomorrow I'll catch you with some more study material. Till then, stay home, stay safe and stay connected with your school and with your teacher. Okay?